Imagine waking up every morning with a sinking feeling in your chest. Bills piling up. No clear way forward. You feel stuck, helpless, and exhausted. You've tried everything, yet nothing seems to work. Now picture this. Just a few months later, you're living in a new reality where money flows effortlessly into your life. You're attracting the right opportunities, and life feels abundant. How did this happen? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to manifest when you're broke. If you think money manifestation only works for the wealthy, you're in for a life-changing realization. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to shift your energy, reprogram your subconscious, and start attracting wealth, no matter where you are right now. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to manifest when you're broke. If you think money manifestation only works for the wealthy, you're in for a life-changing realization. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to shift your energy, reprogram your subconscious, and start attracting wealth, no matter where you are right now. So, are you ready? Let's begin. One of the biggest lies you've been told is that you need money to make money. But let's break that myth right now. Neville Goddard, a pioneer in manifestation teachings, said, "Your imagination is the most powerful currency you own." Think about Jim Carrey, the famous actor. Before he made millions, he was broke, living in his car. But every night he would visualize himself as a successful actor, cashing in million-dollar checks. Years later, his imagination became reality. The truth? Your current financial situation is just a reflection of your past thoughts and beliefs. Change your inner world, and your outer world will follow. Ask yourself, what do I believe about money? If thoughts like, money is hard to earn, or I'm always struggling pop into your head, that's your subconscious blueprint keeping you stuck. Here's what you need to do right now. Take a deep breath. Say this out loud. I am open to receiving money in unexpected ways. Write down 3 empowering beliefs about money. For example, money flows easily to me. I am worthy of financial abundance. Every dollar I spend returns to me multiplied. Repetition rewires your mind. Do this for the next 7 days, and watch how your reality shifts. One of the fastest ways to change your financial reality is through gratitude. Rhonda Byrne in The Secret emphasizes, gratitude is the bridge from lack to abundance. Here's how to apply this, even if you're broke. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. Say, thank you for every dollar you spend, instead of worrying about money leaving you. Bless the wealth of others. When you see someone successful, instead of feeling envious, say, if they can do it, so can I. This shifts your energy from scarcity to abundance, and abundance attracts more abundance. Have you ever noticed how successful people carry themselves? Even before they were rich, they walked, talked, and thought like millionaires. Dr. Joe Dispenza teaches that acting as if sends powerful signals to your subconscious mind. Here's how to embody wealth. Dress well, even on a budget. Looking abundant makes you feel abundant. Speak like you're already successful. Instead of saying, I'm broke, say, I'm in the process of building wealth. Visualize yourself in a life of abundance. Spend 5 minutes a day closing your eyes and picturing yourself with financial freedom. By aligning with the energy of wealth, you'll start attracting opportunities and ideas you never imagined. Manifestation isn't just about thoughts, it's also about action. But here's the key, aligned action. Instead of saying, I need to make money, ask yourself, what small step can I take today to improve my financial situation? What skill can I learn that will open doors for me? When you align your mindset and take intentional action, opportunities will come knocking. Let's summarize the 4 steps to manifest money when you're broke. Rewrite your money story. Practice gratitude daily. Act as if you're already wealthy. Take aligned action. Here's your challenge. Pick 1 step from this video and do it for the next 7 days. Then, come back and comment your results. Up next, Day 30. How to use the moon phases to manifest 10 times faster. Stay tuned. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. If this video helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs it. Hit that like button if you're ready to transform your life, and remember, you have the power to change your reality. Until next time, keep manifesting abundance.